Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of stretch marks. Okay, so this is just going to be very effective. Alright guys, so one thing is that some stretch mark doesn't actually really go fast from the skin, because some stretch mark has actually stayed on the skin for a couple of years. So if you're using this treatment, you have to give it a little time and you have to use it every day, okay, so that the stretch mark would go rapidly. So if you want to know what comprises of my stretch mark ingredients, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using for this will be onion. Now the anti-aging qualities of onion can be attributed to the presence of sulfur rich in onions. Massaging the skin with fresh onions help increase blood circulation and improve the overall appearances of your skin by impacting a more youthful and radiant appearance, and also removing stretch marks. Alright, to prepare the onion, I'm going to be grating it, guys. Alright, since I'm going to be grating the onion. Okay, in this onion we're going to be needing just the juice of the onion, and I'm not going to be needing too much of that, just a little will go a long way. Then we're going to be transferring that into a strainer to strain out the juice. Okay, so I'm just going to be pressing that too. Now the juice of the onion is set. Okay, and the next ingredient, which is going to be very important and very helpful, would be aspirin. Aspirin helps to soothe the skin. Aspirin helps to reduce redness, swelling, and pain from bug bites, and it also helps to diminish the appearances of stretch marks. Aspirin also helps in removing wrinkles and fine lines. Aspirin is great in removing all excessive pigmentations and also age spots. Okay guys, so now we're going to be putting in the aspirin tablets. Putting in a good amount of aspirin, so I'm going to be putting 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 cups, 10 of that, okay, would be enough. And I'm going to allow it sit there and just dissolve, so I don't have to press it for it to dissolve. After next one we're going to be needing is vitamin E capsule. Now vitamin E capsule contains vitamin E, which helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, and it also helps to remove the appearances of stretch marks. It heals dryness. It also reduces the appearances of scars. Free radicals also make it harder for scars to heal, so it helps to remove free radicals from the skin, and it prevents age spots and age-related problems. I'm going to be putting in 2 capsules of vitamin E. I'm going to be cutting it with this small tiny scissors. Okay, and I'm going to be pressing that into it. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing will be aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel is one great ingredient that helps so much for the skin, from wrinkles. It removes fine lines, it gets rid of stretch marks, and it penetrates deep into the skin, removing all related problems such as pigmentations, age spots, and stretch marks. So it's going to help us so much. Now, time for the aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be putting about 1 tablespoon of that. Okay. And that is gonna be perfect. Alright, now I would have to blend this whole up, and it's gonna be pretty easy, guys, for the aspirin to dissolve. Pretty easy, just like that. Dissolves really well. Now time to stir. Now we're going to try and stir this all up so it can mix up really well. Okay, and you're done stirring, you have to apply this and scrub it on the affected part where you have the stretch marks. Okay, when you scrub it over there, and you have to allow this on that part for several hours. Okay, so you don't necessarily want it off also. Just let it sit there till the next day, and let the aspirin plus the onion get into that stretch mark spot, and it's just going to help you to remove all of the stretch marks. Now this is just going to take a little time, guys. It's not going to work like magic. Okay, it's going to take just a little time, and all of the stretch marks is just going to go. So for this, you can actually add more of the aloe vera to make it even thicker. It's actually because I've run out of my aloe vera, I'm going to be getting a new one. Okay, it should have been thicker than this, very thick enough to just apply it as a lotion. Okay, so you can store this for like 1 month. It's not going to go bad because the onion does not really go bad like that. Then you continue applying it on the affected area where you have stretch marks. So guys, those are the ingredients that you need to get rid of stretch marks. Now you have to be consistent in applying that, and you have to do that with all of your heart. Okay, if your stretch mark is actually black, red, purple, there are so many colors in which your stretch mark might be. If it has actually turned to your natural color, man, those kind of stretch mark they are usually very difficult to go off because it has actually adapted to your skin. Okay, but yeah, you have to also be consistent in applying this. I'm sure it's just gonna go with time. So that's it. If you did love the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.